Hello Daryl, it's Mark at Taylor & Son shooting a video for you on the 2011 Chevy Silverado 1500 LS extended cab. It has the 6.5 foot bed, tinted privacy glass, the 4.8 liter V8. Tow hooks in the front. The exterior color is Summit White. It's in very good condition. Body's very straight. Give you a shot of the tires. 17-inch wheels. Keyless entry, power windows, locks, and mirrors. Premium black cloth interior. It's got 6-passenger seating with that fold-down center armrest available as well. 4-speed transmission and a manual transfer case. Cruise control, steering wheel controls for the audio as well as Bluetooth for your phone. AM/FM radio with XM single disc CD player. Auxiliary port. StabiliTrak with traction control. OnStar. This is the driver's side, the left rear tire and wheel. A shot inside the bed. Chrome rear step bumper. Got the towing package, right rear tire and wheel. Well, there you go, Daryl. For more questions, if you have any questions, give me a call at 1-800-866-2138 or visit us on the web at www.taylorandsonchevy.com.